Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by protecting data and removing easy causes. First, back up app data to cloud or local storage so you can revert if needed. Once done, close every app and perform a reboot to clear transient memory corruption that causes sudden exits. Make sure storage remains above 10% and disable battery saver because aggressive power management can kill background processes. Doing these quick steps verifies the environment is stable before deeper troubleshooting. You now move into diagnostics and targeted repair. Start by updating the operating system and the apps that crash. Patches often fix stability bugs. Next, clear the app cache. If crashes continue, clear app data or reinstall the app to reset corrupted files. Check app permissions and allow background activity where required because denied rights can force closures. Finally, view crash logs or developer options to identify recurring exceptions so you know whether to escalate or apply a specific patch. You finish by validating fixes and preparing fallback plans. Test each app immediately after a change and use safe mode to see if third-party software is the culprit. If multiple apps misbehave, reset system settings before more invasive steps. This preserves personal data. If crashes persist, consider a factory reset as a last resort or collect logs and contact the app developer for targeted support. One key troubleshooting tip: replicate the exact steps that caused the crash to capture meaningful logs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.